What if a rogue planet entered our solar system? Unlike Earth, bound to the sun, these unbound worlds drift alone in the dark. Billions of these rogue planets roam our galaxy, hidden within the dense star fields of the Milky Way. One potential intruder has been spotted just 20 light-years away, traveling through the void at hundreds of kilometers per second. It possesses a powerful magnetic field, causing the planet to glow with intense auroras that cut through the darkness of interstellar space. It is an absolute giant, nearly 17,000 times the size of Earth, or about 13 times the mass of Jupiter. A direct hit from an object this size would leave Earth completely demolished, vaporizing the crust instantly. However, the solar system is vast, and the empty space between planets is so immense that a physical collision is statistically improbable. Even without a direct hit, our safety is not guaranteed. This massive intruder would use its gravity to dismantle the orbital stability we have relied on for billions of years. Earth currently sits in the Goldilocks zone, a narrow band where the temperature allows liquid water to flow and life to thrive. Earth must maintain its circular path to keep a steady distance from the sun. But as a rogue planet passes, its immense mass acts as a gravitational wrecking ball, warping Earth's orbit into a severe ellipse. This swings the planet between the inner and outer extremes of the habitable zone. Changing the geometry of our orbit is enough to shatter the biosphere. We would face planetary catastrophe without the rogue planet ever touching our atmosphere. On the inner edge of this new orbit, Earth would swing dangerously close to the sun, creating exceptionally hot and brief summers. As the planet pulls away, those heat waves would be replaced by super cold winters that last for most of the year. Short growing seasons and extreme temperature shifts would cause global crop failures, leading to immediate food shortages. These extended winters would eventually plunge the Earth into a permanent global ice age. To stay warm, humanity would be forced to pump massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to trap any remaining heat. Survival would depend on intentionally accelerating the global warming crisis we are currently trying to stop. In the worst-case scenario, the rogue planet's pull is so strong that Earth is ejected from the solar system entirely, drifting away from the sun's warmth. Without solar radiation, the planet would cool rapidly, causing the oceans to freeze solid from the surface down. The frozen surface would become a wasteland, ending terrestrial life and forcing survivors to seek heat elsewhere. The only remaining warmth would be found at the absolute bottom of the ocean, where hydrothermal vents pump out mineral-rich, superheated water. Staying alive here would mean existing in total darkness under the crushing weight of a frozen ocean. Over millions of years, as technology reaches its limits, the relentless pressure of this environment would become a driver for natural selection. Any surviving lineage would eventually undergo a radical biological transition, evolving into a new species of extremophile adapted to the lightless depths. While the vastness of interstellar space makes such an encounter rare, it demonstrates the power of a gravitational flyby. A passing mass can dismantle a planet's entire climate without a single moment of